Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akim Sterling here. Now in today's video I'm going to take you guys behind the scene as a Jamaican content creator, filmmaker, and today we are doing a wedding. Now this collaboration done with me and MKS. Now this wedding was taking place in Piper Cove, St. Anne's. Now on today's shoot you have myself and Sadiq Harris who will be taking the videos, and from photographers Matthew, Taylor and Kemar who will be taking the photos. Okay, so let's talk about the gears that I'm using for this wedding shoot right here. I'm using my beloved Sony ZVE1. I know many persons may say that camera right here is not so good for wedding because of its overheating issue, and I can say I have shot several weddings with this camera right here and it has never overheat, mainly because I don't really take long takes. The longest I would take this is like in the ceremony with the bride and the groom and the pastor. That's the longest, and that's rough run me about sometimes like 30 minutes, and it has never overheat, even though I have a Ulanzi fan which I never use because I don't really take long take with this camera right here. There's some snippet as you can see with this right here. Now the lens that I'm using is the Sigma 16 to 28 millimeter lens. I wish I have a further reach though of lens, but I'm just using this perfectly fine, and it worked really well for me, especially when I'm doing this type of wedding, to get those wide shots and also those close-up shots if I want to punch into 28. And as you guys can see,
and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that.
As you can see right now, we are doing a little cinematic shot of the bride dress reveal in the dressing room right here. So we're actually using a curtain to just reveal the dress, so you guys can see right here. Ready?
Yeah?
Yeah.
And look down.
Look down. One tell when to look up.
Look up.
Oh. Good? Good?
Yeah, yeah.
Just go one more time. Just close it again. Tell me when it's open.
Wait. Open.
Go?
Yeah.
Down, keep looking down.
Up. Out.
Oh. Alright. Good? Alright, perfect. Alright, so
Now if I want to capture some audio, I'm using the Movo mic as you can see right there, and also my freewheel monitor. If I'm in those bright sunlight, I want to see what's going on my camera. Also, the gears that I'm also use right here to get those super smooth shot, like walking shot, is my DJI RS3 mini gimbal. You know, I have this gimbal for quite some time now, and it works really well to get those walking run and gun shoot whenever I'm using my camera, as you can see on my camera right there. Now the next gear that I want to mention right here is using an ND filter, especially if you're outdoor like this. You know, if you're using the right shutter angle, such as your shutter speed should double your frame rate, you will get some super exposed if you want to go low down to aperture. So I'm using an ND filter just to combat that, to get those nice blur background and also maintain that low aperture, especially when you're shooting in bright sunlight like this.
Can't take that 'cause today it is my day. Feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away.
Now to get POV shot like this, I'm using my Teleson neck mount. I actually did a full review of this already, so you guys can see the link in the description if you want to check this product out, or you want to watch a full review of this. It's on my channel. I'm gonna also put a card above so you guys can click to watch this video of this Teleson neck mount. Sometimes I use it with my GoPro and sometimes I use it with my mobile phone, depending on how I feel. Now speaking about frame rate on this camera right here, this camera can show 24 frames, 30 frames, 60 frames, and even up to 120 frames per second. in this camera right here. So it's a very versatile camera if you want to get that super slow-mo footage and also normal footage for your video, which that cinematic style. Now for me, in a wedding like this, to make it more cinematic, I always shoot at 24 frames to make that cinematic look. Now I would only go to 60 frames if I know that I'm going to slow down those footage whenever I'm pose to get that super slow-mo footage. Also, it can record in 120 frames per second, but I really don't use this much for a wedding because I don't really know where I'm going to slow down those footage in terms of when I'm doing those edits. But as I said earlier on, I'm not going to be the one to edit this video, but I actually shoot most of it in 24, especially when I'm talking heads. But for the shot like this, when I'm capturing some of the picture taking and so forth, you may want to slow down some of these, so I actually capture most of these in 60 frames per second. Now the fact that this camera is a 12 megapixel camera, which make it perfect for video, and also it have the same sensor as the Sony FX3 and the Sony A7S3 right here, which is a great camera, especially if you're in low light situation. Now I have used this camera for several weddings, and the low light performance in this camera right here is superb. I can say it really perform well when it comes to low light performance. Also, this camera right here can shoot in log. So S-Log is a flat color profile with a high dynamic range, which you can color grade. So most of this right here is shot in S-Log 3, so it's versatile for when you're color grading to get that nice cinematic look or nice cinematic feel that you're going for. I mean, the color on this camera right here is great, but if you want to have more control over your footage, I always shoot in S-Log on this camera right here, which you can color grade it into any look that you're going for. I'm going to try my best to put the links of the gear mentioned in this video down in the description, and if you guys have any question, if something that I missed, feel free to ask in the comment section below. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you find this video very helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.